Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna unbox, install, and review these UFO high bay LED lights. Essentially, these are super bright lights that go in factories, workshops, tall garages, anywhere where you need an ample amount of light. So this thing uses 150 watts and it gives you 24,000 lumens. This is supposed to be crazy bright, and they have even a brighter version than this that's 200 watts that goes up to 32,000 lumens. So this is the safety string or safety rope as they would call it. Plugs in straight to a wall outlet that with a 5-foot cable, and it also has these dimmer cables if you have that system. I don't. I'm just gonna plug it in and use it at its max power at 150 watts, and it kind of tells you how to use this. They call it a safety rope, so it would attach from two places, I guess. This is the main attachment that screws into the back of this thing, and it comes with two washers, a regular washer and a lock washer. So you would basically put these on this and then screw it into that, and then when you were done you'd basically just, tighten this so it wouldn't come off. Here are the lights, so a whole bunch of LEDs. This is metal, if you guys are wondering. It's not super heavy or anything like that, but it definitely feels high quality in terms of the metal feel. You do get your regular grounded 110, 120 volt plug, and this is for the dimmer, which I don't have the controls for this, so I'm just gonna omit this.